Degelman Industries started in 1962, and we started on the farm near Raymore. My dad, Wilfred Degelman, started the company. He was a young farmer and had an idea to build a rock picker, something that really wasn't invented. My dad's always been a designer, so he's always improving it. When he was half done building a rock picker, he's always thinking of ways of building it better. We actually moved to this facility right here in 1966. We expanded into dozer blades, harrows and land levelers and manure spreaders and grain carts.
We have a research and development right next door to us that has roughly 40,000 square feet. Ours, 300 employees in Regina. Our research and development is always designing products for the farmer. We listen to the farmer, we hear them, and we go out and we design for them. Every year we're coming out with new products. This year we've come out with a Silage King. It's a blade for pushing silage. The farmers were asking for it, and we listen, we develop it. We think it's one of the best silage blades in the industry.
Our main expansion was getting into the United States, and we went through North Dakota, first at Minot, and now we're at Hillsboro. So we've expanded into every state. We've done a lot of business in Australia. We've done a lot of business in Kazakhstan, and we're just getting our feet wet in South Africa. We've always done a little bit of business in the European states.
What sets Degelman apart from everybody else is a quality build. We put iron where it needs it. We're not scared to put the very best materials into our product. With Degelman, you drop the pin in and you go. We have a great group of designers and fabricators and welders that do an incredible job, that take pride in what they're doing. They're craftsmen, they're not just welders. They're truly craftsmen in what they do.
The most important for the family looking for a partner of Degelman Industries is keeping our brand and keeping our colors, keeping our trademarks, and maintaining our staff. That was very, very important to us. We did not want to become somebody else. We've been at this manufacturing game for almost 6 decades, and we want to grow. So we're actually looking for a partner to grow with as well and to move forward. So this is not an ending for us the way we see it. This has to be a beginning.
Before we even had an opportunity to get into the details and to see the financials and the performance side of it, as soon as we saw the Degelman Industries name, we knew that it had a reputation for quality and for innovation. And that was, immediately our feeling was we want to make sure that we can be part of that.
When we went to find a partner, we had a long process, and we cast a big net worldwide. When we got together, there was an immediate connection.
All the things that we look for when we're doing our succession and management buyouts, right. We want to make sure that there's that continuity. We want to see that transition. We want to see that preservation of legacy and brand. And normally that's our job to make sure that through our diligence process and our underwriting that we preserve that value and make sure that we're carrying that value forward. We didn't have to sell you on it because that was truly something that you wanted to see preserved go forward. It was on the top of your list. I mean, value is obviously key in anything when you're doing transactions, but right next to it was that legacy and brand, and we've been aligned from the very beginning.
We live up to what we say we're going to do. Talk to the farmer, look at the field, look at the job that has to happen, and try to put a solution in place that's practical. That's innovation. Innovation isn't just high technology. Innovation is good ideas, practical ideas.